Hi guys, Andrew here and today I'm going to tell 20 facts about me. So, let's start with my favorite game. Our first fact. My favorite game is Minecraft and because ano siya, I can use my imagination and I can build whatever I want. Like redstone contraption. Naka-build ako ng mga base tapos yung automatic door. Nakagawa ako dun eh. Childhood yun. Now, let's go with 2. Age and birthday. I'm currently 16. Kaka-turn 16 ko lang nakarang buwan. At ako. Birthday ko is March 1, 2008. I'm a Pisces. And Year of the Rat. Chinese at Zodiac ba naman eh? Ito. Number 3, our third fact is my full name is Andrew Gian Noarin Baso. And the meaning of my name Andrew means strong, strong, brave at manly, while Gian means God's grace. Ayun yung binigay sa akin ni pangalan ni Mama. Now, number 4, our fourth fact, my favorite hobbies. My favorite hobbies are reading web novel, novel at light novel. Kasama na din yung tatlong M, manga, manhwa. Ayun, nagsimula kasi yun nung pandemic. Mga lockdown pa ata nun, wala pang, bawal pa masyadong labas-labas. Pasok-pasok. Now, number 5, the fifth fact. My favorite subject. Ang favorite subject ko is ngayon English at TLE dahil magaling ako doon. At TLE naman dahil gusto kong mag-company ng computer parts at kinalakihan ko rin kasi mag-computer. AP dati kasi mahilig ako sa history. Number 6 natin, pang-anim na facts. Favorite character. Sino favorite character ko? Ang favorite character ko ngayon is si Doug Campbell from Fated to be Loved by Villain. Currently at chapter 200 ako ngayon. Now, number 7, favorite novel ko. Ang favorite novel ko ngayon is Fated to be Loved by Villain. Kakasabi ko lang nun eh. Pati the 5 main heroines are killing me. Ayun. Sa Genesis TL ko yung nababasa. Then, number 8, favorite anime. Favorite anime ko is Naruto at Bleach. Kasama na rin yung One Piece. Kasi napapanood ko nung bata ako nun sa GMA at ABS-CBN. Bago pa Now, number 9. Isang school ako nag-aaral ngayon at anong grade ko. I'm currently study at Manila High School. I'm grade 10. Moving up na ako sa grade 11 at sa grade 11 sa susunod na buwan ata yun. Moving up namin. Now, number 10. Favorite street game or favorite street activities. May favorite patintero pati 510. Ewan ko kung may nakakaalam nung 510 ngayon. Kasi parang wala na rin naman eh. Number 11. I think this is unnecessary but I just want to add this. My height is, yung height ko 5'4". Kasing tangkad lang ako ng tatay ko. Ay hindi, 5'5" yung papa ko eh. Kaya genetics. Now, number 11, what do I like to do? I like to eat and cook. Yes. Mahilig akong magluto at kumain. Nakuha ko to yung pandemic din. Bawal din lumabas. Kain din tayo. Tara, kain tayo. Number 12. Ay, hindi, 13 na ngayon. Number 13, favorite food. Now, favorite food ko, siya, sinigang kasi maasim. Katulad ni muntik na. Sinigang pati adobo, yung favorite ko. Ayun lagi yung niluluto dati ni mama. Kaya kinalakihan ko. Now, fact number 14. Let's get with the activities with family. Ang mga activities na ginagawa ko kasama ng pamilya ko is mahilig kaming manood ng sine, mga horror. Ah, kasi tuwing gabi nanonood kami ng mga horror para may thrill at ayaw namin matulog nun. Now, number 15, elementary school ko. Nag-aral ako sa Rosauro Almario Elementary School, Tondo, Manila. Actually, pagdaan lang namin ng tulay dyan eh. Tapos, number 16, favorite song. Andrew, ano favorite song mo? Ang favorite song ko is Line Without a Hook at I'm Still Standing by John Elton. Ayun yung dalawa ko. Then yung Daylight by David Kushner. Ayun ata pagkabigas ng pangalan niya. Now, number 18, favorite artist ko. Number 17 pala. Narito pa ako. Number 17, ang favorite artist ko is si Johnny Depp. Kasi pinapalabas din siya sa sa ABS-CBN, TV5 at GMA. American actor siya kung sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Siya yung gumanap na Willy Wonka at Captain Jack Sparrow. Now, number 18, sino ang yung favorite kong movie? Ang favorite kong movie is Pirates of the Caribbean na ginampanan din ni John Depp bilang Captain Sparrow. Kasi nun ang ganda ng storyline. Tapos yung action niya, maangas yung action niya. Now, let's go to two more facts remaining. Childhood. Okay. Describe ko yung childhood ko. Yung childhood ko, parang typical Filipino childhood. Isang mistake, medyo may napapagalitan, pero okay naman. Wala namang hindi naman masama, hindi naman pangit. Parang okay lang. Okay lang talaga. Now, the last fact is, I like breathing. Gusto kong huminga. Joke lang. Ang natin. I'm an only child sa pamilya ko. Ako, isang anak lang talaga ako. Pero dapat magiging eldest ako kung hindi nakunan yung nanay ko noon. And let's not talk about that. And that's it. Tapos na tayo sa 20 facts about me. So let's end this right now. And I'll see you guys next time.